Hi guys, so as promised, I am back with another update on my lovebird painting, Paint by Numbers. I've done a bit more to show you guys anyway, so yeah, and it's coming along nicely, so yeah. I've still got a bit left to do, but that will come in at a later date. Maybe in the week next week, or maybe the week after. It all depends on my other crafts I've got coming. So, so, um, yeah, I've got some crafts coming anyway. I've not ordered them yet. So, yeah. So now I will show you my update on my painting. So guys, here is another update. As you can see, I've done a bit more, and I've been working on the top bit there, which is that bit there, and that bit there. Also, I've been doing that bit on this stick there as well, and yeah, I've been doing that bit of heart there. I've been doing that bit up there as well. So yeah, so I've done a bit more. But as you can see, I've still got some blank spaces, so I can fill them in when I get time. Because like I said, I've still got a lot more crafts coming up here on my channel. So yeah, it is coming along nicely. So it's going slow, but it's getting there. So yeah, it is getting there, guys. So once I've done it all, it will look good. So yeah, and it should look like that once I've done it all. That is the picture that I am copying onto the painting. So yeah. It is looking good, so yeah. So that's what I wanted to give you another update on it. So yeah. I've still got up there to do, a bit on the face to do, and a bit there to do. I've still got. Also, I've still got that bit there to do, and that. A bit there to do that I've still got. So I've still got a bit more to do, guys. As you can see. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. So yeah. So guys, that was an update on my Paint by Numbers painting. Now coming up next here on my channel will be some teapots, mix and match keyring and bag danglers. Now I've ordered these on Amazon and they came today, so I got I've been doing them, and yes, I will be doing them step by step for you all as well. So they will be coming up here on my channel in the next few days. So guys, stay tuned for that. Plus, I've also got coming up, but I haven't ordered this League ones yet though. I've got some coasters coming up, some wooden Easter coasters, some robot bookmarks I'll be doing, some plant pots in the shape of a cracked egg, and also some other bits as well. Now, I do look on Amazon to try and find some new bits to do and make. So yeah, once I find them, they will be coming up here on my channel. I've got to order some more crafts. Ones that I said that ones that I said to you guys that I will be ordering, like the robot bookmarks, the Easter egg coasters, and the cracked Easter egg plant pots. So I'll be ordering them 3 this week, and yeah, I'll be doing them. And then also I will be ordering some more bits as well to do. So yeah, keep an eye out, guys. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye for now, guys.